Good morning, world. I'm living in the paradise, in my opinion. This is Spain. This is the tropical coast in Granada. This is a small village named called Almuñécar. Almuñécar is the hearth of the tropical coast, the Costa Tropical in Spain, and his weather made me fall in love 30 years ago when I was a young international photographer living around the world, paid by multinationals, traveling with 20,000 euros camera and 1,000 euros of Ektachrome film. Perhaps you know the movie, or Kodachrome. Perhaps you remember a Kodachrome song from Simon and Garfunkel. Well, traveling around the world, I was looking for a place similar to this, because when I come the first time here to do scuba diving and adventures in the nature, when I knew this place, I fell in love in the moment. It's an incredible world of nature, of beauty. It's a present of God, and I really tell you this without any kind of interest, personal or money reasons. Money moves the world, but not my heart. Like I told you before, I was a photographer when I was young, and I was traveling several times Thailand, and other times Africa. 8 years traveling South America, of course, in my young years. Before to go to the third world, I was in 30 times in Germany, in the Frankfurt Mess, because I was publisher and like photographer. I must see my customers in Germany every year, and also in the New York Art Expo. My work was sponsored and sold by galleries, art galleries and everything. And the reason of this message is because I discovered this place 30 years ago, and now, a few years ago, I come to live here because it's really the paradise. Fruits, vegetables, sun, everything is cheap. People is absolutely amazing. If you can speak a little Spanish, it's not so difficult. You must try. But the weather is the best in Europe. Okay, you can here see the translation in 20 hours of difference between one day and the next. Every time happens the same. Perhaps you have 3 days or 2 days raining, perhaps a little strong in moments, storm, or a lot of noise, a lot of water, but next morning, oh man, you feel like a good smelling the clean air, the fresh of the forest that I can see from my window where is shooting this movie. It's not possible to describe in words. This emotion and these sensations. You need to feel this kind of weather. It's not tropical. It's not. No. This is another thing. This is a small place with a particular microclimate, which permits best fruits I can try in my life. And sorry, I know. And also the same, I can tell you about the fish of the sea. The fish, when you take, you buy something in the market, and the flavor is so nice, so good. It's not possible to compare a lobster from the Caribbean or the Pacific, or I don't know, with the lobster of here. No, it's difficult to compare a mango fruit or something like that. It's difficult for me to explain in words why a man of 60 follows loving this paradise, but I promise you it's the truth from my heart. Thank you very much from Tropical TV, Costa Tropical, Spain. Living in the paradise, man. Thank you.